giveaway time. Let's dive into the February 2020 Sew Sampler box to see what Fat Quarter Shop sent to us. You guys, they had a sneak peek on their website or something. I saw it on Facebook. I'm not sure where I saw it, but I saw their sneak peek and it said the sneak peek for the Sew Sampler box. Well, they didn't tell you what it is. They showed you a little image, and the image showed something that looked like Mackinac Island. And I'm from Michigan, so Mackinac Island made me very excited because I just thought about Mackinac Island fudge. But there is a fabric line called Mackinac Island, and it's kind of Americana. I think it's by Moda, and I'm super excited because if that fabric is in this box, I can't wait to get my hands on it. All right, enough talking. Let's reveal. Okay, so the theme this month is Lucky Charm, and I think I was expecting to see that Mackinac Island clue here. Uh-oh. All right. Ha-ha! Mackinac Island. So I'm not going to show you the back of this because I can't cover it up easily, but on the back of this card there are two promo codes, one for 10% off all Moda pre-cuts and one for 20% off all Martingale books. And Mackinac Island by Minnick and Simpson for Moda Fabrics is actually pictured on the back of that card. And I can see it in here. Ah! All right, let's dig in. The first thing that I have is this little packet that tells me everything that's down inside. A roll of diagonal seam tape, which is one of the things that we got in this month's box. This is a roll of tape that you can put, it's almost like a washi consistency. You put it on your machine and you can see those marks right there help tell you where the 1/4 inch is. This red line is supposed to line up with your needle, and then the black lines signal that 1/4 inch mark so that you can use it for when you're stitching or if you're sewing corner to corner on like half square triangles. If that red line is lined up with your needle, then you just need to make sure that the points of the starting of your corner and the ending corner stay on that red line and you're good to go. Love it. Awesome. This retails at fatquartershop.com for $6.48. Stuff's popping out at me. So I guess this is the next thing that wants to be shown. We have a spool of 80 weight red Aurifil thread, and it says you can use this rich red 80 weight Aurifil thread. It's fine, light thread, terrific for hand sewing, English paper piecing, applique, and even free motion quilting. Would you use an 80 weight thread to free motion quilt? Because I would use like a 40 weight. This spool retails for $6.24. That's a small spool. I mean, it doesn't look like the normal Aurifil spools that we get. Maybe there's something special about this thread. That's expensive for a small spool. The next item I'm going to show you is block number 11 for the Goodness Grows Sew Along. This is a monthly sew along designed by Corey Yoder for Fat Quarter Shop. Each month in the Sew Sampler box, we get one of these clues or patterns down inside of our box, but you can buy them if you want to do this, but you're not a Sew Sampler member on Fat Quarter Shop's website for $4.98. This program runs from April through March, so next month will be block number 12, and then in April we will start a whole new mystery block of the month series. All right, next up we have our pattern for Meet in the Middle. This is actually a really nice little booklet. It's not just a pattern. Like, this is nice thick cardstock, nice premium paper, easy to read font, full color illustrations and pictures. This looks like it's going to be super, super easy to read. But this is what the project this month is a table runner called Meet in the Middle. And it looks like to make this, you need 69 charm squares, so not quite 2 full packs, 5/8 yard of a blue stripe for the bias binding, 1 1/4 yards of fabric for your backing, and a 20-inch by 64-inch piece of batting, and then the Meet in the Middle half hexagon template. The finished runner will measure 16 inches by 60 inches. it says this will machine piece a stunning runner using half hexes cut from charm squares and no set-in seams required. Sweet. This pattern retails for $9.98. The pattern mentioned the template, and of course we wouldn't get the pattern without the corresponding template, so this is it. It is just a small half hexy template. This retails for $9.98. And then the last thing in the box is the fabric. We have 2 charm squares of the Mackinac Island fabric line by Minnick and Simpson. And yes, I know that looks like it should read Mackinac, but it's not. It's Mackinac. Trust me, I grew up in Michigan. Nobody in Michigan calls this Mackinac unless we're being silly. It's Mackinac. All right, let's take a flip through of the charm square. Let's see what this line looks like. These 2 charm squares retail for $19.98. I gotta say, I think I had this line confused with something else. Looking through these prints, I'm not necessarily a fan of the entire line, but that's okay because overall, I feel like Sew Sampler is more of a hit than a miss. I understand that they're not going to be able to give me my favorite fabric every single month, and I kind of like the idea of getting a subscription box because I'm going to get fabric that I probably wouldn't have picked up in the store, and it'll force me to step outside of my comfort zone. That's all I've got for this month, guys. Thank you for unboxing the Sew Sampler box for February 2020 with me. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can keep up with me as I post new videos.